Hello valued customer. We are happy to help you get the most out of your new anti-tarnish strips. So we decided to make this video just for you, explaining exactly how to use it to achieve the most effective results. These anti-tarnish strips absorb corrosive gases in the air, keeping the air clean from toxins and most importantly your jewelry tarnish free. They are also biodegradable, safe and non-toxic, and very easy to use. To demonstrate, I'm going to be using a regular 6x9 plastic Ziploc bag. Take one or several jewelry rings, charms or chains and place them individually or together in a bag with just one anti-tarnish strip, and tightly air seal the bag like this. These strips can cover 424 cubic inches of airspace, which is a 6-inch box and is equivalent to a 106 by 40-inch bag. The great thing about these 2x7 strips is you can cut them down to any size and store it safely away. These tabs will keep your items tarnish free for up to 12 months. A great feature these strips have is they will let you know when they need to be replaced by changing from their original color black to brown. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.